everyone, and welcome to Edu Mass Consult, where students come to find solution to some of the math questions you find challenging. Today we'll be taking you through this question. The question says, now 3 years ago, the father was 4 times as old as the son is now. The product of their ages now is 130. Find their ages. Now, the question is, the age of the son is missing, whereas the age of the father is also not given. So now let's solve. 3 years ago, the father was 4 times as old as the son is now. The first step is to represent the age of the son now with x. Let the age of the son now be x. Now, the father said 3 years ago will be 4x. The father said 3 years ago will be 4x. Now, what about the father's age now? The father's age now will be 4x plus 3. The father's age now is 4x plus 3. Now, what have we do about this? The question, the second part of the question will now, we move further to the second part of the question. The product of their ages now is 430. If the son's age is x and the father's age is 4x plus 3, then the product of their ages is 430 now. So meaning you multiply x by 4x plus 3. What does that give us? That gives 430. That is the product of their ages now. By expanding, is it 4x squared plus 3x will be 430. This is quadratic. The only way you can solve this quadratically is to factorize or use formula or use completing the square. Here we want to bring everything to one side of the equation. We have 4x squared plus 3x minus 430 equals to 0. Solving this by formula. Let's solve this by the use of formula. So we have x, b equals to minus b, plus or minus b squared minus 4ac over 2a. We use this to solve this. So we don't want to factorize. Now, where a is the question? A is 4, b is 3, and c is minus 430. Put all this into the formula. Now x is equals to minus 3 plus or minus b squared, 3 squared minus 4 times 4 times minus 430 over 2 times 4. So our x is minus 3 plus or minus the square root of 9 plus 6880 over 8. Then does x is equal to minus 3 plus or minus the square root of 6889 over 8. X is equal to minus 3 plus or minus 83 over 8. From here, you see there are two positive values for x. X is either minus 3 plus 83 over 8, or x is minus 3 minus 83 over 8. So x is 80 over 8, or x is minus 86 over 8. So x is 10. That's the solution. S is 10 is the solution. There are no negative ages. There are no negative ages. There are no negatives. So the positive value of x is the solution. So therefore, the father's age now is 4x plus 3. That is the father's age now. So the father's age is 4 times 10 plus 3. That is 40 plus 3, that is 43. We can conveniently conclude that the son's age now, the son's age equals 10, the son is 10 years, while the father, is 23 years. With this, we have come to the end of another episode. This live, subscribe, like, and share. Happy Thanksgiving.